time about it too. I know it. It's not my fault my truck can't go 60. It's totally my fault. I haven't bought anything for my car. If I didn't hit things, I'd have money. Pretty sure it does take a lot of ability to land on your feet like cats do. Everybody dance now, dun, dun. Shouldn't be singing that song. I think you get copyrighted because of it. Dun. Wish people weren't so picky about copywriting. Yeah, but if they're farting though, wow. Just wow. I might actually get there on time by like 5 minutes. Take the wrong exit though. That would really screw me over. I'm late. Very important delivery apparently. That's why I don't want... Your customers expect your delivery very soon. Make sure you arrive on time. Oh, it's doing that whole music thing now? I know they expect it. I know. Going as fast as my car can go. Barely can make it up to 50 miles an hour. So if I set the cruise control at 55, will it stay at 55? I wonder if that works in real cars. I can't normally go that fast, but because you're going downhill, it kind of picks up speed. I wonder how that would work for cruise control. You know, opportune times to sneeze. Must be. This game is trying to... Oh man. Someone really doesn't want me to make this delivery. It says I'll make it though at 4, so hopefully. I believe I can make it. As long as I keep my car at 50. Don't drive into the wrong way. I don't know if I'm going to try and park the vehicle this time. I think I'm probably just going to like enter. There we go. I am transporting fertilizer. Yes, good old fertilizer. Those wonderful plants that we're going to be having. I like the windows. I mean, the mirrors, though. Strippers. Yes. I got strippers in there. I'm delivering them to the gang lord on the other side of the train continent over there. I wonder what it means by all over. Pretty happy. I wonder, like, what's it mean by the whole of Europe? Does that mean, like, I can go from one side of Europe to the other side of Europe? 'Cause that would be a long trip. Is that legal? Wouldn't that take, like, multiple trucks? You might as well just fly it at that point if you could. Well, something said, I haven't been to a strip club. Never been to a strip club in my life. What even been to Hooters? How sad is that? I hear they have great wings. You know who makes really good wings that you wouldn't think they would make really good wings? Pizza Hut. Their wings are delicious. To me, at least. I don't know. Maybe you guys have, like, really good wings somewhere where you're at. But I just wasn't expecting them to have decent wings, you know. I figured they'd just be subpar wings. But they're actually pretty good, to me at least. You guys are gonna make me hungry. I'm gonna be like, I'm leaving, I'm going to get food. Pizza Hut. That's right. Wings Wednesday. Send wings. Right there. Advertising. You get copyrighted for the advertising for people? I wonder if that's true. Stop advertising for us, we don't want it. Why? The wings are delicious. All he asks is to give me the wings in return for my words. Probably fattening too, though. But they're delicious. 4 miles. We got this. We got this, guys. We totally got this. We'll have like 11 minutes to spare if that clock is correct. I'm supposed to be going like 40 miles an hour. I'm like breaking the law and going 50. I didn't mean to. Mean to what? We're on the home stretch. Maybe I will try to park it. I got like 11 minutes. I can always just push the back no button. Wait. Advertise for pizza. No, I was advertising. I was doing the props for the food. Entry cooperating truck. Cooperate with me, truck. I hear dogs. Are those dogs I'm hearing? No. No, I was so close. So close, come on. Why, game? Why? I'm totally accepting that. Yes. I made it. I made it. Look at that. I'm so proud of myself. Damage. Oh, come on. Stop giving me those damage penalties. I swear. Like 7,000 right there. It's fertilizer. Come on. What damage can it possibly be? My wheels are 1% damage. I don't know. Let's see. What's the job market going for? Just get really long, man. Let's see. Where's the closest place? How do I drive again? There we go. I have to push that button. Oh, that's animals. Okay. I wonder what was making that noise. It's this area. There are two. Why does that one look like it's farther? They just give her less money. Oh, it's more money. Just, I guess it's less. Standard delivery. Standard delivery. I'm taking it. That was totally legit. What are you talking about? It just magically popped back home. Let's head out. Just get wild to go to Wakanda. That was a close one though. I almost didn't get that. I would have been so sad. Still lost 7 grand. It's really upsetting. I really don't like those dings and dents, I guess. Oh, hey, what's up? Don't move, don't you dare. I'm turning. Where'd it go? Where'd he go? He's in my blind side, I know it. He's just waiting for me to move. I don't see him. I don't see him. Doesn't mean he isn't there though, I know it. I know it. He's just waiting. Get nudged by my phone. You know what I'm gonna buy when I can? A better engine. That would be nice. I need a better engine on this thing. That also means